Yes! Oh.
Hi, I'm Faye.
Hello, I'm Fluffy.
And we're on a mission to be fabulous.
Bring joy, and most importantly, read the house down! Are you ready to read the house down with us today?
Yeah!
What's wrong, Faye?
My stomach is actually really sore, and I have lots and lots of thoughts in my head.
Oh, no, that doesn't sound fun at all. Do you want to tell us about it?
Well, I'm going to see my cousin Sheila in Vancouver this weekend, and I'm very excited, but I'm also really nervous. What if I get to the airport late and I can't get to Vancouver? What if she just wants to spend time playing with her clown friends? What if? What if?
I know, it sounds like a classic case of the what-ifs. What do you think we're talking about when we say, like, what if?
I am on the baseball team. What if I don't make any friends? What if I don't fit in?
What if I don't get a sticker on my sticker board?
See, Faye? Everybody has what-ifs.
I'm still kind of feeling queasy.
It's okay. I have some friends that can help with that. Long distance. Hey, friends. We've got a curious case of queasiness here, and we're gonna need your help. Can you come over? Hello? Hello? Oh! Hi, everyone. Hi. It's our friend Splash and Boots.
Welcome back, Splash and Boots.
Hi, Faye and Fluffy.
Hi.
How can we help?
Oh, I've got a case of the what ifs.
Oh, the what ifs. I get it. I used to get the what ifs all the time before performing.
Yeah, sometimes before we do a show, I think, like, what if I don't remember any of the words?
Really?
Mm-hmm. Hey, do any of you know what worrying or anxiety is?
Scared.
I feel nervous in my tummy. You feel that you're gonna mess up?
Can you tell us about a time that you were worried?
On the first day of school.
I had to do a speech in front of the whole school, and I felt really nervous.
Splash and Boots, what do you do when you have the what ifs?
Well, one thing that I really love doing is just focusing on my breathing. So all together, you just breathe in.
And let it out.
Oh, I like that. Friends, what do you do to help you out when you are feeling worried?
I talk to a caring adult. I paint my emotions on a paintboard. Meditating.
What is meditate?
Being calm.
When I'm feeling worried, what I really like to do is listen to a good song.
Oh, yes. We have the perfect song to cure the what ifs. Would you like us to sing it for you guys later?
But before we get back, we want you to keep practicing breathing in.
Okay.
And out.
Our bookshelf friends.
Oh, Papito, where are you? Are you ready to go to the talent show? Papito, there you are. I can't wait to see the amazing juggling Papito. Why aren't you ready yet? Oh, Papito, you're nervous. Don't be nervous. You're the best juggler I know. Oh, Papito, buddy, don't worry if you make a mistake. Would you like me to join you? We could make it a juggling duo. I got you, buddy. Can we take some deep breaths together? Like this. See, that helped, didn't it? Yay! Are you ready to be the best juggling duo ever? You're welcome. The show must go on.
Are you all ready to sing the Settle Down song with us?
Everybody settle down, how quiet can you be? Shake real fast, shake real slow, stand still as a tree. Now sit right down and gather round, it's story time. We settled down, now take a look, let's open up this book.
Today's book is Way Past Worried by Heidi Edelman.
Before we start,
Yeah.
can I ask everyone to take a look at the cover of the book? What emotion this character might be feeling right now? Soraya,
Scared. Sad. Worried.
can you all show us what it looks like when you are worried? It's amazing, a lot of us do this like we're cupping our cheeks just like the character in the story.
My brother Bax wasn't going to Juan's superhero birthday party with me. I felt a little worried. How could I go without my sidekick?
Dad said, you'll be okay. Take 3 very deep breaths and go and get dressed. I tugged on my favorite costume. It looked too small. Would everyone laugh? Now I was really worried.
I just don't like if someone laughed at me for what I wore.
That is not a good feeling. I headed toward Juan's. I was late. Who else would be there? Would Juan hang out with me? Would I feel left out? I felt way past worried, and my heart was thumping, and my mind was racing, and my worry was growing.
Where in your body do you feel your worry exists?
Heart.
Your heart.
In my head.
In your head.
In my tummy.
In your tummy?
Ruff, ruff. Pickles knocked me down with his muddy paws. Now my costume looked even worse. Tring, tring. Kia and Hooper scootered right past me. Why didn't they stop? It's party time, they cheered.
What if it was the worst party ever? I'd walk in late and no one would talk to me. Or else somebody would talk to me, but I wouldn't really know what to say to them. Or else everyone would laugh at my costume. Ha, ha, ha.
When I got to the gate, I saw everyone's costumes looked better than mine. They were already playing without me. I didn't feel like a superhero. I wanted to go home, but just like Dad said, I took 3 very deep breaths.
My heart pounded, but I inched forward until everyone was laughing. I knew they weren't laughing at me, but it felt like they were.
I ran off. I didn't know what else to do. I heard Juan ask, "Where's Brock?" I wanted to call out, "I'm right here, Juan," but my worry was in the way, and my words wouldn't come out.
I heard a sound up in the tree. I looked and I saw a girl. I heard her take 3 very deep breaths. I asked, "Are you worried too?" She nodded. "I'm Brock." "I'm Nellie."
So why are you worried? I just moved here. I don't know anyone. I'll sit with you, I said, and Nellie looked like she felt a little better.
I said, "I'll tell you about my friends. Juan's funny, Chin is nice, and Skitter makes the best costumes." "I like yours," Nellie said. "Thanks, I like yours too." "You know," Nellie said, "I don't feel so worried up here." "Yeah," I said, "but we can't stay up here forever."
I looked at Nellie. I wanted her to meet my friends, and I wanted to say happy birthday to Juan and eat some cake. So I asked, "Do you like cake, Nellie?" Nellie nodded. "I love it." We were still worried, but not like before. It helped that we'd talked about being worried.
I said, "Let's be brave." "Like superheroes," Nellie said. I nodded. "Like superheroes. And we can always help each other if we feel more worried again, right?" "Right," I said.
I could feel my mind calming and my worry shrinking. On the count of 3, let's swoop in, I told Nellie. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
And we joined the party, and it was fun.
Best of all, we weren't worried. The end! Yay! Hit it, Splashing Boots!
Inhale 1, 2, 3. Exhale 1, 2, 3. You know thoughts are like clouds. They keep floating on by, they don't stick around. You know feelings are like clouds. They keep floating on by, they don't stick around. So let's not forget to breathe with me.
Thank you, Splash and Boots, for helping me to let the what ifs go away.
Aw.
Thank all of you for being here today, too.
Now remember to care.
And remember to be kind.
And remember to read. See you next time.
You know worries are like clouds. They keep floating on by, they don't stick around. So let's not forget to breathe. Inhale 1,